Hello everyone, this is Sophie Zhang and I am going to show you my process of how to create a flow chart for my instructional design project. I am using PowerPoint or Microsoft PowerPoint for this process. First and foremost, you open up a new blank document. You go to Insert on your top here, click on the Insert button. And here you can create shapes, and you will select a start shape. You would insert it here. You would right click and you would go ahead and add text. So here I would put down start. And then you would go back to insert shape. You would click on the next shape, which is a data shape. And here again, you would right click, you would put edit text, and you would do our first module, learning module would be the introduction. So I'm just going to put down introduction here. Make that a little bit bigger. And then I would right click here, copy for simplicity's sake, paste. Do that again a couple more times. Paste, and this just shortens my process, make it simple, straightforward, because all of these, this is, if I didn't mention before, this would be the process, this would be a macro flowchart. And of course we can go into detail about the micro flowchart as well, all the individual little steps within each of these modules. But for this particular assignment, here is obviously the instruction. This one here would be the learning module. Learning module 1. This is learning module 2. Module 2. This is learning module 3. And then this is finally we're going to call this is our conclusion or our closing. And then we will do another end. We're going to copy this, throw this down here. Oops, we're going to drag it over here to our process down here, and we're going to change this to end to symbolize that this flowchart has ended. Introduction, learning module 1, 2, and 3, and conclusion. This is my macro chart session. And of course, all we would need to do here is just draw the little arrows of how they correlate with one another. So we can go back to the insert and we insert shapes. And of course, we're going to pick arrows. And then we would just draw our arrow here. Draw our arrow here. Whoops. Control Z that. Oops, I cannot. How do I do this? Copy. Paste. Then I can move this one a little bit over. There you go. And just throw it here. I'll do that again. Copy. Paste. Do this next one here. Just move it over. There we go. We would do that for all of these so that you can see the process. And then finally we would go back to this one since it's already created for us. Right click, copy, paste, and then we would just drag it over here, down here. And this would be essentially our macro flowchart that we would have here for my instructional design project. Thank you, everyone.